What do you get when you get a $55 million mansion, a Twitch streamer, and a 24/7 water park inside someone's home? You get the future of real estate marketing, and most real estate professionals are completely missing it. If you're new here, my name is Justin Berry, owner of the Creator Lab, host of the Wealthy Creator podcast. And on this channel, we dive deep into how creators use their influence and their platforms to generate revenue for their business. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how creators like Kai Cenat accidentally change industries forever. And if you're in real estate, this is especially for you, because Kai is doing something that millions of real estate agents and billion-dollar brokerages wish they could pull off. For many years, real estate agents have thought the best way to show off a house was the slow-mo drone footage and a crispy pan to the kitchen. But the truth is, in today's market, no one cares. And if I'm perfectly honest with you, lifestyle, entertainment, and experience is more important. And nowhere is that more obvious than what we've seen Kai Cenat and his group A&P have done. What I'm about to show you is the many times that the homes have been used, not only as content studios, but also marketing tools. They don't just tour these homes, they live in them, and the entire world watched. Let's flash back to Kai's Mafia-thon 2. And if you're confused of what this type of event actually is, it takes place when a streamer streams for a considerable amount of time, day after day, encouraging viewers to sub to his channel. If you're confused what subs are in the Twitch world, you should really look into it. But it's a way to monetize your platform doing your everyday duties. And during this month, Kai had all kind of guests show up to this mansion. And they participated in different games, they listened to music. Overall, it was just an eventful and entertaining series, day after day, showing you all around this house. As a viewer, you got to see every single room. And I'm sure that anybody that saw it that may be interested in buying that type of house was paying close attention to the layout, the materials, the floors, everything that are in the details of a really nice designed house. And here's the kicker, this wasn't a brand deal. This content was the marketing. And while there was never a mention of who owned the house or the agent that was listing it, you saw different details all around the house that told you what brand it was representing. But here's the kicker, it wasn't a brand deal. This was the marketing. Tens of millions of people saw the house because Kai made it his background story. This visibility is worth millions. The second time we saw this unique marketing happened in Kai's hometown in New York City. Kai and his A&P crew moved into a $15 million unit in Tribeca, New York. And while $15 million may not get you that much space in New York City, it did get a miraculous view. This penthouse was made for the rich and famous, overlooking the entire city. And here's the kicker, within 4 days, Kai and his team got kicked out for being too loud. The building couldn't handle the energy and the internet ate it up. What I really found interesting is that they kicked him out just after the YouTube video was released of them touring the place. That penthouse and the one they moved in after became some of the most recognizable real estate in New York City. And it's not because of the listing, but because of the drama and the content. I can 100% guarantee you that people were Googling $15 million Tribeca penthouse, trying to figure out where that house was. I'm willing to bet money that that week, that was the most Google search there was on the internet. As I'm making this video, that tour video has 6.5 million views. Even after seeing those two events, I didn't quite understand the marketing completely. But even as we speak, Kai and his team are doing a 30-day stream inside a home in San Antonio, owned by NBA player Tony Parker. This house sits on 53 acres, has a private water park, a movie theater, and a built-in Nando's chicken restaurant just for the stream. If this property ever hits the market, it's not just a mansion, it's a part of internet history, and that's the power of creators. Now, I didn't tell you all this just to give you a story and to show how lit Kai Cenat and his team are. Here's why it matters to you if you're in real estate. Social media creators are building emotional connections and digital equity with their audience. It doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like a fantasy that they're inviting you into. Luxury real estate isn't just about the granite countertops anymore. It's about who slept in the bed, who went viral in the kitchen, and who's tagging that location. And that's the new real estate flex. So here's how you as an agent, an investor, or a broker can get into this game. Find a content creator and partner with them. Offer some short-term stays in exchange for some lifestyle content. Host some live stream open houses with creators in your city. Use those local influencers to your advantage. If you partner with some local influencers, it will benefit you both. They get access and get to use new and refreshing content, while you get to use the content for marketing. Turn your listings into storytelling experiences. You can do some behind the scene tours, some cooking shows in the kitchen, or even some competitions in the home gym. Document everything. Even if it's not going viral today, it's still building a digital footprint. Content is the new curb agent. If you're not using content creators to market your property in 2025, you're leaving millions of impressions on the table and possibly millions of dollars. And just so you know, this isn't the future. This is already happening. And if you want to learn how to actually collaborate with creators, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be breaking that all down. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be alerted whenever I drop a new video. And if any of you all have a $30 million mansion that you want to let me crash in for a little while, comment down below.